guys, today I'm playing Adopt Let's go. So today I'm going to give you a tour. You know that I gave you a tour of the mansion. Um, this is the party house, and I want to give you a tour of it. So this is like a bedroom where your pets can sleep, and you can sleep. I don't want to sleep. Okay. So, yeah, I want to earn bucks. Um, so I'm just going to just a minute. I'm going to set my hot dog stand so I can earn bucks. Okay, I'm back. I set my hot dog stand. Okay, so I need to tell my friend Plaggy out something. Here. Okay. Well, so here's the bathroom. Here is the bedroom. Here is the kitchen. And here's like a living room. There's a telescope. And there's a couch. And there's like, I added the dance floor. And I added the food bowl and water bowl. But I didn't add the telescope, the couch, and the rest of the stuff. So bye. Bye.